Hello guys, my name is Navya and welcome back to my video. Today I found another website that's just for coding and it's just incredible. It's a little different than code.org, but in this there's a difference between those. That is also made for coding and this is also made for coding. But the difference is here we get challenges, not to make our own. But in code.org we do not get challenges, and we get to do our own projects. We create our own projects. Here we can't create our own projects. They give us instructions and we have to follow those instructions and do it as it says. That's a little it's very easy to understand and it's very easy to do it. In some there are kind of many levels and in some there are very less. But if you don't know what code.org is, go in the link below and see the video of what is code.org. Okay. So let's start. If you want to learn it, come with me. First of all, we'll go to Google. Here we have to search is CodeMonkey. Yes. Then we have to click here. If you want to, you can sign up, and if you don't want to, you can also not. We can do it for free also. So right now I have paid it. But the paid is over. So in this, I think you should read this because when I started, I read this, and it's just so good. It has different curriculums and curriculums. And in here we have different things, like one game banana tales, second game coding chatbots, digital literacy, and this is I think space banana, CodeMonkey Junior, Beaver Achiever, Dodo does maths, and coding adventure. And it's very much, and many things are there, and if you want you can sign up also. Okay, so first of all, let's scroll down. We have to go in the curriculum column and search for R of code, and we have to click. Yes. Now we have to scroll down. You have to watch this video on YouTube and it's amazing. We get to learn more about R of code and the things, activities in this. So there are 12 activities here, challenges I mean. So let's start with the first one. In next video, check out the Beaver Achiever. Okay, whatever. Let's start CodeMonkey first. CodeMonkey Junior. Now we have to click here and start playing. Okay, so this is our adventure code, and what here we have to do is we have to place the blocks here to get him up there. So I have to place this here, and when we play it, it'll take one step ahead. Great, now we have learned, and here we have to take the steps according to it. It's for small kids, but I'm just showing you. Now we have to collect the bananas also. So we have to click 2. Yay. It's a little kiddish, but you know what? It's fine. If you don't know how many arrows to put, just calculate these boxes. He is standing here. So 1, 2, 3. So I put 3 here. video a little ahead so you can see how it goes. so I have made the video a little bit ahead. Now here we have many blocks now. I think before we have only 2-3. I think one more blocks we would have. So let's see how it goes. Great. I didn't get the treasure, so I totally forgot about that. So let's move a little bit more ahead. This. Yippee! We got a treasure. So I think it's the last one. Let's see how much is the cost. Yes, it was about 15. So we are about to reach. Okay. So let's see how it goes. So here he bumped his head into the walls. Like it also says it here, don't hit the walls. So now it was a little wrong, but it's fine. Okay, so we're done with this. Now there's another one, loops. How much is this? This is a course of 15.2. Okay, so let's start. Here we have the same thing. Great. So I think this video will go a little long. So let me make the video go ahead. Okay. So I wanted to show you a new block here. It has come. Okay, so this was a loop block. In Python, we put a loop in it to make it continuously go. If you know what a loop is, you might understand it fast. But if you don't know what a loop is, let me tell you. Loops are basically what we do again and again and again and again. Like I'm standing at the corner of my house. And I go to another corner and another corner and another corner and come back to that corner. Doing this several times is called a loop. Okay, so do you understand? So let's move ahead. Let's take a loop block here and this one. Oops. So I put it on the wrong place. Yeah. This is the exact same too. to tell you about this loop block. That is, if you put the loop block here, why isn't going ahead of this? You maybe this, I guess this must be going through your mind. How, why, how can it be, why, and many questions there. So actually when it reaches to its point where it wants to, the loop stops. Same into that's Python. So I'm going to put the loop block and I'm going to take one step ahead now. Great, let's move ahead. Let me rewind this video for you. Okay, so I wanted to tell you about this new level I reached. So here we have to take the loop block and I have to jump and take and move ahead, right? So here you might be thinking, should I get a new block? Should I get a new block and put another one? But no, it's not like that. We only have a one loop block, so we can only put one loop block. So here how we do it. We have to jump first because the banana is one above us. So jump first, then we have to take this block as we have to move ahead. And we have to take it in front of the sign and voila, done. Now the loop block is extended. So it will work as we want it to. Great. Okay, so I have to do this one. It's the exact same. Take the loop block, one step and jump. One step, jump. Then again, one step, jump. So we are going to remove this block. Okay, so the wrong thing I did in this one, that was when we are going down, we get the banana that and that at that time only. So actually this block did need but only one block. That was the move ahead block. Let me rewind it again. Okay, so this is the last level. Let's complete it. Okay, let's put the loop block. Here, we'll jump ahead first, then jump up. Right, like jump, and 2 steps ahead. It might work. Yep. Great. So we are done. Yay! So from here we have to download our certificate. Let's click on it. From here we get our certificate. Okay, like this. It's pretty nice, right? Okay guys, thank you for watching. If you want to see the beaver challenge, see me on next video. Bye.